I'm dedicating the Whitley and Chill Season 3 Front Yard playlist to my mother. Rest in peace. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, let's take a look at the grass. Well, it's green. Hope the fertilizer helped some. Needs a cut. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll give it a cut. I'll go get the brute. Give it a cut. Marble chips, pretty good. Other stuff, looks good. Well, I got the big bumblebee, the brute. Oh yeah, it's not gonna play with the grass either. Turned out well. A little brown, but that's okay. Might just need some water. Marble chips, lilies, salvias. You know what, I gotta check out the other side too. See what's going on. I'm happy with the grass. Gotta do something about these chips though. Hideous. This looks bad. You know I can't leave it like this. But, you know, I put up that fence, so work has been delayed. I'm about to get back on track. Oh yeah, that was the perfect segue. Might as well start here. Clear this out, get the weeds out, fix it up a bit. And while I'm at it, might as well add another piece of fabric. Keep the weeds out. I should spray the marble chips. Okay, looks good. You know I'm not really a fan of hauling these bags. Now I'm putting them in buckets. But the track looks good now. This might take an hour, maybe more. A lot going on. Might as well add some fabric over here too. Keep the weeds out. Keep it consistent. Man, this is a lot of work. So management ordered groceries, okay? And here's the nice young lady that brought them. Great job. Thumbs up to her. Really appreciate it. Appreciate everybody that's out here hustling, doing what all they can to make ends meet. So here I asked her if that was it. Went back to her car to help out. And over there, she asked, did I do this professionally? She really liked what she saw. I was like, no, I just do it just to do it and fix up the house, stuff like that. You know, that's inspiring, really motivating. Someone notices your hard work and gives you a compliment. All right, marble chips are back intact. Mulch bed has a long way to go, but I'll put the work in. I'm not pleased with this lilac. It's time for it to go. I don't know what's going on. I just don't like its attitude. And I'll be replacing the lilac with a dianthus. Got it from Home Depot, $9.98. Why not give it a try? Can't hurt. Let's not forget to add the Miracle-Gro lawn food. Not too much of it though, because too much will ruin everything. Yeah, the one I just took out should have looked something like this by now. I don't know what was going on, but I don't need any dead weight around here, if you know what I mean. Can't wait to see how the lilacs turn out. Hope I have enough room for all this stuff. Okay, dianthus, you're in. I hope you play nice with your new friends. Okay, let's put some annuals around the edger here. Put some color over this way. You know, I'm wondering if I have too much purple. The salvias are purple enough. What do we have here? Okay. Yep. Cheap. I'm sure they'll turn out nicely. I apologize for the air conditioning in the background. Try to listen to what this lady said to me. It really means a lot when someone stops and asks for a business card or just stops to say, hey, that looks real nice. Means so much. People appreciate when you really put 100% effort into something. And even though this isn't where I would like it to be, I'm sure people see the potential. As a reminder, you don't need to put 2 or 3 annuals in each hole. One will do. They grow, and they grow fast. Glad I took care of the marble chips. I think it's best to get rid of that big stuff. Don't worry about those steps. Forget those steps. I'll take care of those steps. Don't focus on them. The other marble chips, they look great. Okay. Lilies. You know what I hate about the lilies? They just die out too fast. Forget about those steps. Don't look at them. Don't look at the stoops. It's all a part of the process, but I'll take care of them. All right. The new annuals, I'm sure they'll do well. Hope the grass gets greener. I'll take care of everything. Don't worry about it. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.